All right, guys, you'll have to excuse my lack of preparation and professionalism in this video. I was in the middle of installing this radiator guard on my CB650R, and I thought, you know what, let me throw this video up in case somebody else is in my situation. So I ordered this Evotech performance radiator guard for my 2021 CB650R. I got it from Rapzilla. It came with 0 instructions. So I figured in case you guys are like me and the first thing you do is go to YouTube to see if anybody else has a video installing it, I'd throw this up. So I've already started, but I'll show you guys what I did so far. So the radiator guard comes by itself, and if you look, you see these little black bungees. So you'll see when you get your radiator guard that in the spots where these are, there's 6 round holes in the radiator guard. They're pretty noticeably different from the hexagonal holes that are already there. So you got to shove those bungees in, those round holes, so the open end is facing in towards the side that will be on the radiator. They can be kind of a bitch to get through. I use the needle nose plier to pull them the rest of the way through. And then your parts will also come with these little black cushions that have sticky on one side. So on these pieces here, you're going to want to position them just like that. And by the way, I found the downloadable instructions on Evotech's website. I'll link that down below for you guys to see. But they want you to position the pads like this on both of these clamps. And then the remaining 4 will actually go on the frame of the radiator on both sides, like that. So I'm about to get to actually putting the radiator guard on. And all that's left is these screws and washers here, so shouldn't be too hard. I'll try and do that now, and I'll show you guys what I did. All right, so before I get to putting the guard on, I'm just going to show you guys what I did with this clamp here. So it's got a little bit of a lip on the inside here. It kind of hooks around the back of the frame here, and then it positions itself pretty nicely on the frame there. So when I actually do throw the guard on, those flaps on the side should line up pretty nicely with this. It does want to slide down if you let go of it, but once we get the screws in there and tighten it up, it should be fine. All right, so it's actually pretty snug once you start to slide it on. So I got the clamp on this side. I'm gonna pop over to this side here and see if I can throw this clamp on this side before I push the guard all the way up. Slide it down a little bit. Try to do this while I'm holding my phone here. All right, so you can see that once I push this the rest of the way up, it should there you go. Lines up nice. Looks good here. Obviously the Evotech logo goes on the bottom here, in case you guys didn't figure that out. But now it should just be tightening it up. So I'll show you guys the finished product in a minute. All right, guys, so there you go. So the screws are in. You're gonna need a pretty tiny Allen wrench to get those in. This is a 3/32 Allen wrench, but went in quick altogether. Probably took me not even 5 minutes once you know what you're doing, and looks good. Didn't have to remove any factory parts, which was nice. So that's it. Hopefully this video helps somebody out. Safe riding, guys. Hope you enjoyed.